I do.
이 영화는 심전에 관한
This is a film about psychological warfare.
왜곡된
A
정보를
specific type of warfare designed to distract,
무감각하게 만들어
misinform,
But trust me,
특정 형태의
and anesthetize the brain.
형식. 심리전은 변장술에 있는
It has many disguises
많은 모습으로
and is used against every one of them,
아울러 노동자,
against them
어린이, 일반 인민 한 사람
and against
한
them.
사람을 대상으로 하고 있다. 물론 이와 같은 건모
Of
술수적
course,
행위는
such
무장을
Machiavellian
포함하여
activity requires a disguise,
프로파간디스트들이
which is why propagandists call themselves the public relations industry.
PR이라 부른다 할 수 있다. 오늘날
But do not be fooled.
사실을 전하는
Public relations and propaganda are interchangeable,
하지만 속지 말아야 할
and it is the
것이다.
massive public relations industry
상호 호환성이 있으며
that is designed to alter perception,
인간의 사고를
reshape
바꾸도록 하고
reality,
현실을 탈바꿈시켜
and manufacture consent.
생산되도록 설계된 것일 뿐이다.
A Hollywood set designer was brought in to create a $200,000 backdrop for official war briefings.
오늘날 미국 하나만 봐도
Today,
사실을
America
전하는
alone
사실보다
has more
더
public
많은
relations propagandists than reporters,
이 사실은 서구 사회
which
사람들이
means that nearly half of what people in the West hear, see, or read is written by professional liars.
할수 있다. 전문 거짓말 장애의 이 일은
Professional liars whose job it is to keep people in front of their televisions,
잡지들을 읽도록 하며
reading gossip magazines, eating vast amounts of toxic food, and shopping, always shopping for the latest fashions and trends.
만드는 것이다. 이것이 프로파간디스트들에게
That's the ideal for propagandists,
상황이라고 할 수 있다. 그리고 그
and great efforts are made in trying to achieve and maintain that ideal.
아끼지 않는다. 대중이 스스로
Anything that keeps the masses from organizing themselves and asking important questions about what their masters are really up to.
대중을 지켜내기 위한 모든 것을 포함한다. 1960년대는
The
학생들이
1960s,
이끄는 것에
a period of heightened awareness and rebellion against the establishment,
시기였다고 할 수 있다.
with students leading the resistance.
통제를 벗어나는 것 같이
But when the
보이면
situation seems to be getting out of hand, the establishment ordered it to be stopped, and the propagandists moved quickly to lead the young people away from dangerous protests
유행성
into such fashionable protests. That was then. This is now.
사회 혁명을 제외하는
Fashion,
연예인,
celebrity,
섹스,
sex,
음악,
music,
기술 등
technology,
모든
any
다른
kind of
종류의
revolution
혁명으로 바뀌어가고
except
있다.
the social revolution.
이 영화에서는
In this film, we will
사용자들을
reveal
대신하여
the methods
해당
used by the
인물들을
propagandists
조사하는
to control
프로파간디스트들이
populations
사용하는
on behalf of their
방법들을
owners.
보유하고 강력한 힘을 가진
Although
사용자들이
these rich and powerful owners only make up 1% of the world's population,
대상으로
they
자신들에게
have mastered the use of propaganda over 99% of the world's population, turning them into consumer slaves who work harder and harder to buy things they don't need. These consumer slaves are also made to pay taxes to their government, money which is used to develop new weapons for the pernicious invasions and occupations of other countries. In the last 5 years alone, they've given their owners more than $1 trillion for these illegal and immoral wars that can't be won, and are even encouraged to send their own children to fight them. This is Doctor of Psychology, Professor
어떻게 인류를 무감각,
You have just been exposed to a range of propaganda devices used by the West to control, manipulate, neutralize, and anesthetize entire populations,
인민들을 포함한
its own
다른
and that
나라의
of other nations.
인민까지 모두 다 말이다. 이와 같은 정신적 왜곡 방법의 성공 비결은 어떻게
The success of these mind-warping devices depends on their remaining hidden from the masses.
남아 있느냐 하는 것에 있다고 할 수 있다. 그러나 경애하는 지도자 동지는 인민 모두가 스스로의 눈으로 정확하게 어떻게
But our dear leader
정신
has
세계에
insisted
대한
that you see with your own eyes exactly how this war against the mind is used to turn Western citizens into compliant slaves.
이용되는지를 볼 것을 주장해 오셨다. 지금 이 사람이 세계 신기록을
Has this man just broken a world record?
아니면 지금 이
Has he
사람이
just created a medicine that can save thousands of lives?
아마도 이
Perhaps he has been chosen to represent his community in some way. No, this man has just purchased a telephone.
휴대전화 구매에 성공하였다. 그렇다면
And these people,
무엇이
what is making them scream and cry with such profound joy?
기쁘게 만들었는가?
They are on a television program where they are receiving consumer items.
취약한 것뿐이다.
This for some boots.
부추이며
This
이것은
for some
옷들이다.
clothes shelves.
그리고 이 광
And
속에
this
있는
hysteria
상태는
is not
신을
because they have found
발견했기
God,
때문이고
but because they are receiving sneakers. The propagandist knows that an individual has a natural desire to be on a winning side and appear to fit in with the crowd.
알고 있다. 의도적으로
One of the
애매모호하게
easiest ways to achieve this is to make them chant favorable, yet deliberately vague slogans like, "This changes everything,"
This is going to change everything.
"Just do it," "I'm loving it," or "Support our troops."
등과 같이 Support our troops 같은
The point of slogans like "Support our troops"
이것이 훌륭한
is that they don't mean
프로파간다의
anything.
핵심 포인트이다. 어떤 사람도
That's the whole
반대하지
point of good
않고 모든
propaganda.
사람이 동참할 수 있는 슬로건을
You want to
만드는
create a
것이
slogan
중요하다고
that
할 수
nobody's
있다.
going to be against
이것이
and
아무런
everybody's
뜻이
going to be
없기
for.
때문에 어떤
Nobody
사람도
knows what it
무엇을
means because it doesn't
의미하는지
mean
모르는
anything.
그런 슬로건 말이다. 노엄 촘스키 교수가
Points
지적한
out
내용이다.
Professor Noam Chomsky.
이것을 염두에 두고 보면
With this in mind, propagandists can provide simple answers to complex problems and ask for approval without question.
Either you're with us, either you love freedom, or you're with the enemy.
이들은 이 방법을 이용하여
They can use this method to sell phones, violence, cosmetics, or even false wars, like the unwinnable war on terror announced by these degenerates, and the hypocritical war on drugs announced by this master criminal, who is awarding a medal to this man for joining the war on drugs, despite this man being a drug addict.
만들어낼 수 있는 것이다. 가장 인기 있는 슬로건들은
The most popular slogans contain virtue words that embody what slaves in the West have been conditioned to value most dearly. Words like
자유,
freedom,
진실,
truth,
평화,
peace,
해방과 같은
liberty,
단어들이며
and
가장
most
중요한
importantly,
단어는 민주주의.
democracy.
가장 인기 있는 슬로건들은
The 20th century has been characterized by three developments of great political importance: the growth of democracy, the growth of corporate power,
진실,
and the growth of corporate propaganda as a means of protecting corporate power against democracy. Writes Howard Zinn.
마지막 줄을 다시 한번
Let's look at that last line again. The growth of corporate propaganda as a means of protecting corporate power against democracy.
이것이 과연 사실일까?
Is this true?
실상을 한번
Let's look at the facts.
Killed. But your government has...
1945년
Since 1945, America has tried to overthrow 50 governments, many of them democracies.
이 과정 중
In the process, over 30 countries and their people have been attacked,
30개국이 넘는 나라에서
including our own great and powerful socialist sovereign nation.
그 결과는 어땠는가?
And the result?
민주주의 국가가 아닌
Not
단
one single
하나라도
undemocratic
진정한
country
민주주의로의
has been turned
전략이
into a
이루어지지
genuine
못했다.
democracy.
Open the door! Get your hands up and come outside. Let's go, sir. Yeah, clear the house now. Let's sweep on down.
I want peace as much as you do.
다른
The
나라를
grotesque act of invading other countries, claiming them as your territory, and stealing their resources to keep your emperor, crown,
한때
or corporate owners in power used to be known as empire building.
제국 건설을 위한 가장
The latest propaganda slogan for empire building is globalization,
결집이라는
a vague word with warm connotations of unification.
단어. 하지만 이의 진정한
But what it
의미는
really means is the acquisition of other people's resources at any cost
무제한적인
and unlimited slave labor. Slave labor needed to produce the unnecessary goods sold to these slaves.
생산하기 위해 필요한 노동
Slaves to persuasion and influence.
노출되어 있는 노예들. 현실적으로 이들은
In
자신들이
reality,
구매하는 것들에
these are
대해
debt
돈을
slaves,
지불할 수 없기
since they
때문에
can't even afford the things they buy.
할 수 있다. 설령
Even in
경제가
times of
붕괴되거나
peril and economic meltdown,
상황이라도 그들 대통령의
at the orders of their president,
이들은 계속해서
they must keep consuming.
하여야 한다.
Is this
과연
democracy?
민주주의인가? 2003년 2월
On
15일
February 15, 2003, millions of people worldwide took to the streets in the world's largest ever day of protest,
조작된 구실을 위한
a protest against the pirate Bush regime and their British and Australian lapdogs who wanted to go to war on manufactured grounds. The majority of the world voted against this war, but were ignored. Is this democracy?
강력한 힘을 가진 1%
The powerful
집단은
1% went ahead with their pre-planned war,
항상 그래왔듯이
as always, using the poorest people's children to do the fighting.
We're here for your fucking freedom! So back up right now!
주지하여야 될 부분은
It's important to note that these cowards were happy to order mass death and destruction,
없음에도 불구하고 파괴와
despite never having been in battle themselves.
주저함이 없다는 것이다.
Is
민주주의란
this
말인가?
democracy?
아니다.
No.
민주주의란 대중이 결정을 도출할 때
Real democracy is when the majority of people make a decision and it's
전
upheld.
세계를 거쳐
For
이루어진
example,
투표에서
in polls taken throughout the world,
거짓으로 짜맞춰진
the vast majority of citizens want to see these war criminals committed to stand trial for crimes against humanity.
시민이란 점을 들어 인간성에 대한 범죄로서
Since 90% of the casualties of their false war on terror were innocent
지지표를
civilians.
던졌다. 실질적인 테러와의 전쟁은 다프
War on terror is a vague propaganda slogan, as a real war on terror would include direct intervention in Darfur,
흉내내고 있는 짐바브웨
Myanmar,
직접적인
and Zimbabwe, where Robert Mugabe has made a mockery of the Americans' claim to love democracy.
프로파간다 슬로건일 뿐이다.
A real war on terror would start with American citizens refusing to pay taxes that support Israel's illegal occupation of Palestine. Taxes that could be used to help Americans who are unemployed, working without health care, and homeless. Of course, if you dared to point this out in America, you would be named anti-American and a traitor, or one of those who hate freedom. So people keep quiet because they are afraid of expressing how they feel.
If we are not vigilant.
You've got to keep them pretty scared, because unless they're properly scared and frightened that all sorts of devils are going to destroy them from outside or inside or somewhere, they may start to think, which is very dangerous, because they're not competent to think. Therefore, it's important to distract them and marginalize them. Points out Professor Noam Chomsky. Before you can distract and marginalize them, however, you first have to know what motivates them.
Communism in reality is not a political party. It is a way of life, an evil and malignant way of life. It reveals a condition akin to disease that spreads like an epidemic. And like an epidemic, a quarantine is necessary to keep it from infecting this nation.
Fear is the engine room of imperial propaganda.
We cannot wait for the final proof, the smoking gun, that could come in the form of a mushroom cloud.
Those who have understood this have manipulated people for centuries, indeed millennia, by manufacturing and controlling religion. The Western religions of Judaism, Christianity, and Catholicism use a propaganda manual called the Bible. Although it is the same story, each brand claims its version is the best one. As with any advertising, the propagandist knows that there is no idea easier to sell than the idea that you are vastly superior to everyone else. So they tell their followers that they are unique in human history, that they are descended from the first man and first woman, and that they are chosen by their supreme creator to rule over all other cultures. To secure the deal, they add the idea of an eternal soul. That way, death doesn't seem so bad, and they won't resist being sent to fight against competing brands. Religion is regarded by the common people as true, by the wise as false, and by the rulers as useful. Seneca the Younger. Of course, only the truly ignorant believe that books like the Bible are really the Word of God. Religion is horribly, unmistakably human. The God of the Old Testament is arguably the most unpleasant character in all fiction. Jealous and proud of it. A petty, unjust, unforgiving control freak. A vindictive, bloodthirsty ethnic cleanser.
여자와
A
동성애자를
misogynistic,
혐오하는
homophobic,
인종주의자이고
racist,
유아 살해범이며
infanticidal,
대량 학살자이고
genocidal,
자기 자식을 살해한
filicidal,
범죄자이며 역병을
pestilential,
창궐시킨 과대망상
megalomaniacal,
가학
sadomasochistic,
피해성 변태이며 변덕이
capriciously
심하고
malevolent,
고약한
bully.
폭군이다. 과학자
Scientist Richard Dawkins.
과학적으로 분석하면
With the use of science, we can now diagnose God as a psychopath with extreme narcissistic personality disorder.
다른 사람들을
He is a
조종하기
character created by humans who sought to control others by naming themselves as prophets of
위하여
God.
불가하다.
Charles
신의
Manson
예언자라고
While most people who claim to be prophets of God are kept in mental asylums, others make their way into positions of power.
Are a group of predatory control freaks.
본인은
Hence today, I believe I am acting in accordance with the will of the mighty Creator. By defending myself against the Jew, I am fighting for the work of the Lord. Adolf Hitler.
신의 뜻에 따라
Working in accordance with God isn't just for believers. British Prime Minister Tony Blair turned to Catholicism after killing as many innocent Muslim civilians as possible.
이제 그는
Now he can be forgiven for mass murder and sit next to his God for eternity. All he has to do is sit in a box and confess his sins to a priest.
전부였다.
For terrorists like Tony Blair, the Mafia, and the IRA, Catholicism is the ideal choice.
이상적인 선택일 수밖에 없다.
The Catholic Church wholeheartedly supported the Nazis, and with the help of the CIA, continued to protect them after the fall of the Third Reich by passing them along the infamous rat line to safety in America.
이 종교는
It also goes out of its way to protect the malignant child abusers who run its operations worldwide.
이용되고 있다.
official truth.
무엇보다도
Most of
천주교는
all, it protects the Pope, the richest man in the world, who travels to Africa pleading for an end to poverty, despite never using his own riches to help his most desperate followers.
대신 교황은 최대 빈곤층에
Instead, he promises the poorest that they will be the richest in heaven.
약속하고 있다.
This crusade, this war on terrorism, is going to take a while.
이 암적인 텍사스인은
This toxic Texan claims that God told him to invade Iraq and Afghanistan. So he did,
수십만 명의 무고한 시민을
killing
죽인
hundreds of thousands of innocent civilians.
이자는 자신이
He must speak to the same God as his father,
전쟁과 지역 봉쇄가
whose war and sanctions killed millions of innocent civilians in the same place.
되물어야 할 것이다.
I have said to the people of Iraq that our quarrel was not with them, but instead with their leadership, and above all with Saddam Hussein. You, the people of Iraq, are not our enemy. We do not seek your destruction.
이 사람은 인간을 살상하는
This man clearly enjoys killing people.
이 사람이 베트남에서
Even though he was too scared to fight for his country during the American War of Aggression in Vietnam,
무서워했음에도 불구하고 텍사스
he
주지사로
broke all records for killing prisoners during his time as governor of Texas.
기록들을 갈아치워 버렸다. 미국과 같이
Such a civilized society, America, where this two-term president refused to pardon Ricky Ray Rector from execution. A man so severely retarded that when the guards interrupted his last meal to lead him to his execution, he assured them it was okay because he would just have to finish it when they got back. Like God, these leaders show no mercy to the weak. Even in their own country, after a devastating hurricane, no mercy for the weak. And here, no mercy for the weak.
The whole truth.
The whole truth.
And nothing but the truth.
And nothing but the truth.
at home.
Although the psychopath makes up less than 5% of the Western population, those infected with narcissism and unusual intelligence force their way into the 1% who rule over the masses. Drawn to politics and big business, they are strongly against democracy. Because in a true democracy, these treacherous monsters would be impeached and sentenced to death for lying, fraud, treason, race hate, mass murder, and war crimes. But impeachment is not acceptable, declared this smiling new president, who came to power in 2009. Why? Because he is one of them. His advisors are drawn from the same gang of Washington thugs and Wall Street banksters as the so-called opposition. His presidency was paid for by the same lobbyists and corporations that sponsored all of the other presidents before him. Here we see the most obvious lie in democracy, the one that two candidates represent a choice when they are clearly run by the same interests. There's actually a single-party system in the United States, a Demo-Republican Party, under the guise of two parties, Democrat and Republican. No matter which of the two you vote for, you vote for the Demo-Republican Party. This was said by a conservative ideologue, R. Ridger.
This time, vote like your whole world depended on it.
Allowing people to vote for one of your brands is the best way to make them feel like they are connected to their candidate and involved in a democracy. When they become wary or distrustful of one candidate, you give them a completely new smiling face and simple slogans like, "Yes, we can," and "Time for change," that are easy to chant and provide hope, but are essentially meaningless. Meaningless because this charming president will do exactly what he is told to do by his corporate masters, spending countless billions on killing humans in faraway lands, while his own people continue to suffer. Democracy is just a slogan.
Survivor is coming with a super big cast.
In this vulgar television series, carefully selected Americans have to pretend to survive by being the most conniving, manipulative, and money-hungry contestant on embarrassingly contrived multi-million-dollar sets to win money.
For $1 million, I can do just about anything.
This is a perfect metaphor for America, where the real survivors are the millions of homeless people who don't get to go home after filming. Look at these images from celebrated filmmaker Quentin Tarantino. What happened to this man as a child? What did America do to him that he should make such images for people to watch? Is he a psychopath? No. He is simply reinterpreting the Western cult of death he grew up with for new generations of consumer zombies who crave seeing their fellow humans mutilated in new and inventive ways. This cult of death is rooted in the Bible, which the imperialist slaves believe is actually the word of God, the same God that's used to send them to kill humans on the other side of the world because they have a different God. God and country are an unbeatable team. they break all records for oppression and bloodshed. Louis Buñuel.
오늘날
Here
통치자들에
we see the
의하여
simplistic
유포된
duality of good versus evil, peddled by today's rulers.
우리 편이다.
God is on our side, and everyone is choosing our brand.
선택해라.
Make your choice. You're either with us or against us.
나는 그런 논리 말이다. 이것은 1%
This
집단이
reassures the 99% that the 1% is strong and has everything under control.
재확인시켜주는 것이다. 이제
Now they can relax and get back to their football game, video games, TV shows, or go shopping.
1% 집단은 종교로서
The
99%
1% have always controlled the 99% with religion. They are the ones who control information and decide what people think.
결정하는 사람들이다. 그들은 심지어 인민들이 어떤
They
일이
even decide what people know about the
알
past.
권리마저 자신들이 결정해버린다.
Who controls the past controls the future, and who controls the present controls the past. George Orwell.
Some people running along the dike. Roger. Good job. I saw you splatter one right in the back with a rocket. Roger, got lucky again.
When carrying out attacks on other nations, destroying their infrastructure, and deforming their future generations with the use of nuclear, chemical, and biological weapons, the imperialist needs to rewrite history and keep repeating it over and over until it becomes true.
Young lady with the red hair right behind the school teacher there.
Mr. President, why did you drop the atom bomb?
Mr. President, the future wants to know, was it right to drop the atom bomb?
I made the only decision I ever knew how to make. I did what I thought was right.
Throughout the years of negotiations, we have insisted on peace with honor. Let us be proud of the young Americans who served with honor and distinction.
Today.
And the case is built.
See, in my line of work, you got to keep repeating things over and over and over again for the truth to sink in, to kind of catapult the propaganda. George W. Bush. Repeat over and over that the Nazis killed 6 million Jews in World War II, and the Jews will enjoy endless sympathy, despite Israel continuing to commit many of the same crimes as the Nazis. But if you keep silent about the 26 million Russians killed by the Nazis in World War II, then Russian suffering becomes invisible. Let us see now how this has been applied throughout history. Every year, America celebrates the progress of Western civilization with a propaganda campaign known as Columbus Day. 500 years ago, Christopher Columbus set off to claim new riches for the Catholic Church.
1492년
Arriving on a lush Hispaniola in 1492, he spoke of the 3 million Taino Indians who came out to greet them as the friendliest, kindest people in the world. He then systematically enslaved, raped, and killed them at such a rate that by 1555, every single one of them was dead.
Christopher
Columbus not only opened the door to a new world, but also set an example for us all by showing what monumental feats can be accomplished through perseverance and faith. George H.W. Bush.
백인 그리스도교도들의
Such perseverance and faith was the basis of Manifest Destiny, in which the American government decided that God wanted white Christians to take over the continent.
자연과 조화를 이루며 살던 1억 명의
Their God clearly didn't like the 100 million Native Americans who lived in harmony with nature, as 99% of them were systematically murdered. This fact is now celebrated with a propaganda campaign called Thanksgiving Day. Only nobody speaks of land theft, genocide, or destruction of culture. Nobody questions the propaganda films depicting Native Americans as vile savages, trying to stop God's civilized white settlers from making a home. They're too busy eating and celebrating, unaware that the few remaining Native Americans hold a national day of mourning on the same day as a protest against this invasion.
아이러니컬하게도
Ironically, the Americans also have a day for celebrating their victory over invaders.
독립기념일은 모든 사람은 동등한 권리가
Independence Day is a celebration of the Declaration of Independence, which was created by intellectual men whose visions were similar to the superior ideals of Juche.
선포를 축하하는 날이다. 종교나 제국의 힘으로부터
Their vision for a glorious nation of equal and happy citizens who were not oppressed by the forces of religion and empire now lies in pieces, crushed beneath the uncontrolled drive for profits that have led to enormous human suffering and environmental destruction. But America is not the only perpetrator of crimes against humanity and the planet. Imperialism is in the heart of the British, occupying India and running opium wars out of China. It twitches in the spine of the wicked Japanese, the French in every continent, and the World Bank and IMF in every poor country since World War II. All have committed grave crimes against humanity in their search to conquer, steal, and erase memories with their lies. Lies like Australia Day, a celebration of the day in 1788 when Australians, who were merely geographically displaced European criminals deemed unworthy of being on British soil, were sent off to settle as far away as possible. These low-grade humans call Australia the lucky country. But their arrival was not so lucky for the Aborigines, who had been there for 40,000 years. For them, the oldest human presence on Earth, the lucky country is a propaganda phrase used to cover up Australia's most enduring taboo, genocide. White Australians don't like that word. They admit to words like pacifying, killing, cleansing, excluding, exterminating, poisoning, shooting, and starving. Anything but genocide. Anything but the truth. Look at this film called Australia. It was made with large tax breaks by the Australian white government to advertise Australia as the lucky country. It used an Aboriginal child to distract people from the ongoing genocide there, and the fact that Australia is now a dumping ground for nuclear waste, by its British and American masters.
어린이를 이용하였다. 악랄한 과거를 인정하지 않으려고 하는 또 다른 나라는
Another country that refuses to acknowledge its psychopathic past is Japan.
은폐하려고 하는 실패한 제국, 일본이라고 할 수 있다.
A failed empire that tries to cover up all of its vile and putrid atrocities.
그것을 가차없이 도륙을 내버린다. 일본인들은 심지어
While the world cares for threatened species, the Japanese butcher them relentlessly.
즐기기까지 한다.
The Japanese even enjoy luring dolphins into harbors and murdering them in a rage. This barely disguised need to mutilate life is no surprise to us in Korea.
하지만 이 부분에 대해서는 잠시
But we
후
will
다시
come to this shortly.
우선 프로파간다가
First, let's examine how propaganda was turned into such an effective weapon by the West.
먼저 살펴보기로 하자. 현대 프로파간다는 미국의 대중 여론을
It is a remarkable fact that modern propaganda began with the British,
동조를 얻어내기
who
위한
established a secret war propaganda bureau in 1914
선전국을
in
설치한
order to sway American public opinion and gain sympathy for the Allied
놀라운
cause.
사실이 아닐 수 없다. 이 공작은
It was headed by George Creel, who described it as
묘사하였다. 판매
a
기술의
vast
정확한
enterprise in salesmanship, the world's greatest adventure in advertising.
그의 가장 최우선의 임무는 비록
His immediate
미국
job
본토가
was to convince the pacifist American people that a war some 4,000 miles away was worth fighting, even though American soil was not threatened.
반전주의 미국인들에게 설득하는 것이었다. 헐리우드는 8천만 명의
Hollywood helped this
시청자가
cause by exploiting a weekly film audience of 80 million with titles such as The Hun Within,
짐승,
The Kaiser, The Beast of Burden, and The Claws of the Hun, which all suggested that the German threat was right on American soil.
선전하는 것으로 이 공작에 협조하였다.
The process worked so well that Americans learned to hate German civilians almost as much as the targeted German government. And just 6 months after his re-election, on a stay out of the war pledge, President Woodrow Wilson declared war on Germany.
And a League of Nations.
일주일 후
1 week later, the US set up its own propaganda organization, the Committee on Public Information, which became so successful that it continues to this day as the United States Information Agency.
영국이 평화 상태에서는 프로파간다를 금지하는
While the
동안
British abandoned propaganda in peacetime, the Americans maintained its use under the leadership of Creel Commission psychologist Edward Bernays.
그는 미국의 대중 의견은 반드시 사회 내 소수
who argued that American public opinion must be engineered from above by society's few masters,
주장하였다. 1% 집단,
the 1%,
오합지졸들을
to control
조종하기.
the rabble.
So Eddie began to formulate.
그의 첫 번째 실험은
His first experiment was to convince American women that smoking was glamorous and liberating, despite common fears that smoking was associated with prostitution.
믿게 만드는 것이었다.
New York held an Easter Day parade.
그는 모델을
He
고용하여
did this by hiring models to march in New York's Easter parade, each holding a lit cigarette and wearing a banner proclaiming it a torch of liberty.
그 실험을 대신했다. 재계는 곧바로
The business world then turned to Bernays to indoctrinate citizens with the capitalist story until the masses willingly adopted the idea that America is a country of big business, by big business, and for big business.
파시즘이란 기업주의라고 불리는 것이
Fascism should more appropriately be called corporatism, because it is a merger of state and corporate power.
때문이다. 베니토
Benito
무솔리니.
Mussolini.
나치 선전부 장관.
Meanwhile, Nazi propaganda minister Joseph Goebbels was openly thanking the British and Americans for their propaganda model and put it to good use for rallying the German people to war.
Wenn nötig, totaler und radikaler, als wir ihn uns überhaupt erst vorstellen können.
역사적 자료들을 보면 괴벨이
Historical documents prove that Goebbels ordered stormtroopers to burn down the German Reichstag, which he blamed on the communists.
명령하였다는 것을 증명하고 있다. 이 사건들은
This had the desired effect of frightening the population, who surrendered their civil rights, and enabled the Nazis to swiftly transform Germany from republic to fascist state and launch World War II.
In 1940, Hitler had conquered France.
3,500만 명이란 목숨.
35 million lives were given up in World War II in patriotic fervor, created by propaganda campaigns.
희생되었다.
Australia marches with Britain, land of plenty, land of untold resources, all placed gladly, willingly at the feet of Mother England.
Look carefully at this man. He's the Emperor of Japan, whose forces have committed the appalling atrocities against British Empire and Chinese troops and civilians, men and women in Hong Kong. These are the swine who bound and bayoneted our helpless soldiers in their hands. If these pictures serve to kindle a flame of vengeance throughout the civilized world, they will have served their purpose. Let the cry be vengeance, bloody vengeance!
미국 대중과 의회는
For the second time, the American public and Congress were overwhelmingly against entering the war in Europe.
Another war, not for me. This time America should keep out, and I know I will. If war breaks out in Europe, I think that this country should heed the advice of its first president and avoid all foreign entanglements. In the event of war in Europe, I think we should stay out of it entirely.
프랭클린 루즈벨트 대통령은
So, President Franklin Roosevelt needed something that could provoke Hitler into declaring war on the US and frighten the public into action.
그래서 그는
He did this by deliberately failing to warn his fleet commanders that a surprise Japanese attack on Pearl Harbor was imminent.
그에게 경고는
The warnings came to him from the governments of Britain, Australia, and the Soviet Union, and are now a matter of public record.
문건으로 분류되어 있다. 우리 조선은 미국인들에게 위험을 알린
We in Korea were among the first to alert the Americans because we know better than anyone what the vicious Japanese are capable of.
알고 있었기 때문이다.
Slaughtered by Japanese troops.
More power to you, President Roosevelt. The entire country's behind you, thrilled with hope and patriotism.
프로파간다를 이용하여
As if using propaganda to send their pacifist population to war wasn't bad enough.
어떻게 나치를 멸망시키고
Consider how America repaid its people for defeating the Nazis.
보면 그리 나쁘지만도 않은 것이었다. 종이
Operation Paperclip.
종이 클립 작전이다.
Operation Paperclip was the safe transfer of Nazi scientists and operatives into the CIA. Nazis like Josef Mengele, the infamous Angel of Death, who carried out live experiments on humans in the death camps. These death industry pros were given new identities as US citizens and employed in US laboratories to develop a dazzling array of mind control programs for the CIA, as well as new products and ideas for US biochemical warfare expansion.
Ultimately, they discovered LSD. All of that drug stuff.
General Electric, DuPont,
Not only did companies like General Electric, DuPont, Ford, and Bell help with Operation Paperclip, but so did Americans like Prescott Bush, the patriarch of the presidents George Bush. Documents in the National Archives and Library of Congress show that he committed treason continuously between 1924 and 1951.
첫 번째는
First, by using Jewish slave labor in collusion with the Nazis, and then by bringing those Nazis and their assets into America. Despite being a traitor to his country, this Nazi collaborator became a senator, and his family has assumed great power in America. But they are not the only fascist family to thrive from tyranny against humanity. Court records show that the Rockefeller's Standard Oil Company was selling more oil to Hitler's war effort than to the Allies. And for this, a federal judge ruled John D. Rockefeller committed treason against the United States. Treason, the most heinous crime of all. Prior to World War II, this man joined fellow traitor Prescott Bush and the British royal family in sponsoring the eugenics initiatives that gave rise to Hitler's racial hygiene programs. Horrifyingly, today, the Rockefeller family, the UN, and World Health Organization remain at the forefront of administering population programs designed to reduce world populations to more manageable levels. One can only imagine what terrible ideas these monsters have in store for us. To understand how Rockefeller avoided being punished for treason, we need to go back to World War I, when Germany was winning the war without a single shot being fired on German soil. David Ben-Gurion, the head of a powerful group of Zionists and the American Rothschild family, approached the British with the promise to bring the Americans into the war. In return, they wanted Palestine. The British agreed to this land theft and, at the cost of American lives and money which has never been repaid, they signed the Balfour Declaration, which was addressed to Lord Rothschild from the British government, promising Palestine to the Rothschild Zionists as a national home for Jews. This is both sinister and unnecessary, since Jews lived peacefully for thousands of years amidst the Arab majorities in the Middle East and had no desire to steal their land. The Zionist collaboration with the British worked. Germany went from winning the war to capitulating and signing the Versailles Treaty at, where else, the Rothschilds' palace. Palestine was then declared a British mandate, and the Zionists were able to swiftly colonize Palestine after the Second World War. On May 14, 1948, after Rockefeller leaned on smaller countries in the UN to vote Israel into the United Nations, Israel declared its independence from British mandate.
Today, the British mandate over the land of Israel ends. We declare a Jewish state in the ancient land of Israel. It will be called the State of Israel.
And 1 year later had claimed 78% of Palestine, despite only owning 6% of it. The first Prime Minister of Israel was Zionist David Ben-Gurion, who employed Reuters, which was owned by the Rothschild Zionist organization, to start an enormous propaganda campaign, which continues to this day. Once Israel was established with UN approval, and the world was sold on the fairy tale of Jews finally returning to Israel, David Ben-Gurion started a campaign of ethnic cleansing. We have taken their country. We must do everything to ensure they never return. We must use terror, assassination, intimidation, land confiscation, and the cutting of all social services to rid the Galilee of its Arab population. David Ben-Gurion, 1948. For over 6 decades, Israel has tenaciously pursued this hateful agenda of colonization, ethnic cleansing, murder, terrorism, land theft, and cultural genocide with great success, thanks to American taxpayers who give $3 billion in direct economic and military assistance each year. It is widely understood that this money is currently being used to build this apartheid wall that costs an estimated $1 million per mile. Apartheid is a crime against humanity. Israel has deprived millions of Palestinians of their liberty and property and perpetuated a system of gross discrimination. Nelson Mandela. Israel has become Nazi Germany, destroying their victims' land, confiscating their property, putting them in concentration camps, even stamping numbers on their hands, a practice that led to Yafa Yarkoni, holder of the Israel Prize, to speak out. The occupied territories should be given back, and that's it. We should learn from the Holocaust not to abuse and humiliate other peoples. Yafa Yarkoni is talking about Article 49 of the Geneva Convention, which says that no state may put its own civilians as settlers into occupied territories. Settlers and settlement are, of course, propaganda phrases that evoke legitimate and comforting feelings of finding a home. However, as acclaimed journalist Robert Fisk writes in his novel The Great War for Civilization, the far more disturbing and far more accurate word for Israel's land grabbing in the West Bank and Gaza since 1967 is colonizing. Settlers are colonists. So why doesn't the world condemn Israel and demand its withdrawal from the occupied territories? Why is America the only country still fervently supporting Israel and its policies? Nobel Peace Prize winner Bishop Desmond Tutu of South Africa observes that the Israeli government is placed on a pedestal in the US, and to criticize it is to be immediately dubbed anti-Semitic. People are scared in the US to say wrong is wrong, because the Jewish lobby is powerful, very powerful. The most important propaganda victory for Israel has been selling the idea that it is the victim and the Palestinians are the terrorists. They do this by controlling the media. According to Israeli Holocaust historian Yehuda Bauer, the Holocaust is constantly exploited to deflect criticism of Israel and its own immoral policies. Hardly a month goes by without a new TV production, a new film, a new drama, new books, prose or poetry dealing with the subject. And the flood is increasing rather than abating. Professor Yehuda Bauer. The reality is that America's relationship with Israel could not withstand public scrutiny, which would quickly expose Israel not as a victim, but the most powerful country in the Middle East. It is the world's 4th largest nuclear power and the 5th largest arms producer. It possesses nuclear, chemical, and biological weapons, but thanks to America, has never signed a non-proliferation treaty or agreed to international inspection. It is also an occupying power in a stolen land that is not held accountable for its actions by anyone.
watched with his own eyes.
이 지역에서
Anything that's mobile, that moves in the zone, even if it's a 3-year-old, needs to be killed.
지금 이 말은
This was said by an Israeli army officer who was acquitted of any wrongdoing after shooting 13-year-old schoolgirl Iman al-Hams 17 times.
사살한 후 사살한 것을
After
부하들에게
confirming the kill to his soldiers, he emptied a full magazine into her head.
세계는 이런 일들에 대해서 알아야 될
The world never finds out about these things because Israel doesn't allow it. It calls itself a democracy, but uses a type of propaganda called censorship, where certain phrases and words are not allowed.
Journalists
are not allowed to use the word Palestine. It's the terrorist infrastructure. These territories are not occupied, they are disputed. These are not humans seeking freedom from oppression, they are terrorists. This is not an apartheid wall, it's a security barrier. This is not assassination and murder, it is pacification. This is not state-sanctioned terror, it is self-defense.
Defense Minister of might, power, and beatings, which became
This is all part of a carefully orchestrated plan to dehumanize their victims. A tool learned from what the Nazis did to Jews, homosexuals, gypsies, and the mentally diminished. This propaganda phrase is needed when the imperialist decides to carve up or give away something that doesn't belong to them, like Palestine or Korea. Thanks to Western propaganda, half the world still believes their invasion of Korea in 1950 was needed to fight communism. They have no idea that our eternal leader was trying to unify Korea after their leaders tore us apart for war profiteering. They remain ignorant of why we feel harm towards this grave injustice. And what was the result of this manufactured war? A bombing campaign that destroyed 75% of our country and killed 4 million of our citizens. The American bandits also tested biological weapons by dropping infected insects and other agents on us and our Chinese brothers and sisters. Despite these evil and cowardly acts, the West was unable to defeat our glorious nation in the victorious Fatherland Liberation War. Despite a record 7 threats with nuclear weapons by the Americans, with their enormous wealth and military might, we remain undefeated, winning one victory after another, and we are now their longest-running adversary. They are afraid of us, but we are not afraid of them. The Americans label us unpredictable and dangerous, but America is the only nation insane enough to use nuclear weapons on their fellow human beings.
Rivers and streams throughout the city began to boil. People evaporated where they stood, leaving shadows of their bodies scorched onto the streets. In a matter of seconds, 4 square miles of Hiroshima became an atomic wasteland. Several minutes passed. Then a black rain began to fall on the city. sticky, pebble-sized drops of radioactive ash.
And it is America that has invaded 37 countries in the last 50 years.
I was there as a correspondent. This horrific picture.
우리는 단 한 차례도 다른 나라를
We
침공한 적이
have invaded none.
심지어 남쪽의
Even our
유약한
limp-wristed brothers and sisters in the south feel harm towards the 33,000 imperial occupiers on their land.
당기지 않고 있다. 그들은
They also want the Americans to leave, so we can be reunited as one Korea.
축으로 서구 소비노예 집단이 왜 자기네
Don't the consumer slaves of the West want to know why their forces are occupying our country?
거라고 생각하는가? 도대체 신경이라도 쓸 거라고 생각?
Do they care?
그럼 이 사실을 도대체 알기라도
Do
할
they
것이라
even know?
이 질문에 대한 대답은 대부분의 사람들은
The
알지도
answer
못하고
is that most of them don't know and don't care.
라는 것이다. 왜냐하면 자기들 주인님들이 그들이 무엇을 보고
Because their owners have full control over what they see and think.
부분을 다 장악하고 있기 때문이다. 텔레비전은 아편보다
Far
훨씬
more seductive than opium,
행동 양식이나 기대감
infinitely more effective at shaping behavior and expectations than alcohol and
효과적인
religion.
도구로서 역사상
Television is the most
심리전에
powerful
있어서는
weapon of
가장
psychological
강력한
warfare in history.
할 수 있다. 서구 사회의 소비노예
Consumer
집단은
slaves in the
그들의
West
인생과
schedule their lives and relationships around watching television.
시작한다.
They
아이들을
use it as a
재우는
babysitter for their youth
마약으로 하루를
and wake up to this drug,
낮에는
consume
가능하면
it whenever possible during the day, and go to sleep with it.
심지어는
They even take it with their meals.
서구에서 텔레비전
Television, or TV as they call it in the West, doesn't kill.
이 물건은
It
보는 사람들을
pacifies,
말 잘
turning
듣는
viewers into compliant zombies.
시청자들은
They wear a vacant, glassy-eyed look on their faces
가체면 상태가
because
되기
they are in a trance-like state.
이상적인 상태라 할 수 있다.
This is ideal.
소비자는 이제
Now the
미동도 없이
consumer is sitting still and ready for indoctrination. No force is necessary here. He is a willing participant.
되었기 때문이다. 텔레비전이 자본주의적
It is no mistake that happiness in the West peaked in the 1950s.
manipulate them in the interest.
행복 지수가
Before
최저점이다.
television was used to enforce capitalism's consumer message. The message that you are not happy.
이 사람같이
Not unless you buy this product.
이 맥주를
Look like this person.
당신이 행복하지
Or
않다는
drink this beverage.
서구에서는
The
이런
West calls these
이미지를
images
광고라고
advertising.
광고란
Advertising is both propaganda and propaganda distributor.
광고란
Advertising is about hawking product and creates artificial needs, since most products are completely unnecessary.
Your favorite music?
광고란 파렴치하게
Advertising unashamedly fosters unhappiness with oneself and with one's possessions.
조성시킨다고
In fact, the very purpose of advertising is to open up emotional vulnerabilities
문을 열고
and make people feel that without this product, they are defective.
You need to protect your skin, you need to hydrate your skin, you need to moisturize your skin, and you need to repair your skin.
기업들은
Corporations employ psychologists, writers, and filmmakers to sell what is essentially the same product.
예를 들면 특정
A certain
치약은
toothpaste, for instance, claims to have a feeling of
주장한다고
freshness.
보자. 이 제품은 뛰어난
This one claims to
방리작용으로
have dazzling strips of
뛰어나다는
whitening ability,
주장을 하는 한편 해파리에
while
쏘는 것
this
같이
one is for people who claim to have teeth so sensitive that it feels like they've been stung by lightning.
효과적인 광고의
One of the
속임수 중
tricks of
한
effective
가지는
advertising
넓은 층의
is to
좋은
identify the
시대의
product
제품을
with a highly desirable quality that has widespread appeal.
이것을 사신다면 당신은 깨끗한
If you buy
피부를
this, you will have clear skin and become attractive to others.
And more beautiful.
이 광고는
Use
이
this
상품을
product and pretend that you too can be a farmer.
또는 이
Drive
자동차는
this car and appear liberated and
활달한
adventurous,
사람을 위한 것이다.
like these actors.
이 슬로건들은 단지
Advertisements are nothing but bait,
소비자를 위해서
laid out for certain types of consumers.
아니다.
For up to 14 times more volume.
이와 같은 방법들이
These same methods are used to glorify the corporations
미화하는 데
who make
쓰이고
these
있다.
products.
이것을 기업 선전이라고
This is
부른다.
called
예를 들면
corporate
제네럴
propaganda.
일렉트릭사는
For example,
자사가 일터에서의
The
상상력을
General Electric
발휘하는
Company
것이라
likes to boast about
자랑하는
its
것을
imagination at work,
미사일과 다른
which includes
무기들을
money
제조하는
lending
데
and
사용되는
manufacturing
제조
equipment
설비, 자금
for
대출
building
등을
missiles and other
포괄적으로
armaments.
포함한다는 것을 의미한다. 진실은 기업은
The truth is that corporations exist only to make money and are even legally compelled to prioritize making profits over competing interests,
합법적인 방법으로
such as the
우선순위에
well-being of
올려놓을 수
consumers.
있다는 것이다. 또한 자본주의자에게는
And there is no such thing as enough profit for the capitalist.
없다라는 것이다. 이것이 세계화를
This
추구하는
is why they promote globalization, the new slogan for empire. It allows them to promote their symbols, also known as brands, by using slave labor in third world countries.
하는 것이다. 이런 제국주의적 브랜드는 국가의
These imperial brands are a symbol of value and meaning, like a flag.
하지만 그들이
But their only allegiance is to profit, not country.
이윤일 뿐이다. 기업의 목적은
Their goal?
이윤의 극대
Maximum
화이고
profit.
기업의
Their
표적은
target?
바로 우리
Human
인류.
beings.
인간들을 자기들 나라나 인민, 환경에는 어떤 피해가
Turn them
있더라도
into mindless consumers who crave their product and keep buying it
계속해서 구매하는
at any cost to their country, fellow citizens, and the environment.
이것이다. 무엇을 위해서?
And for what?
이 광고의
Look at the background of this commercial.
이 상품은
This product is for those with money and high social standing, according to the image.
이것이 얼마나 친구와 동료, 이웃들에게
This is how the bizarre need to appear superior to friends, fellow workers, and neighbors
이용되었는가를 보여준다. 그렇지만
is
광고는 비단
mercilessly enlarged and exploited.
않는다. 프로파간디스트들은
But advertising
어릴 적부터
is not
소비습관을
just for
형성하기
adults.
위하여
Propagandists spend $12 billion per year specifically targeting children to form consumer habits early on.
자제할 수 없는
They can
상태가
ingrain their
되어
brand by repeating it over and over until the child is indoctrinated and manipulated beyond control.
Norman Feeney, Pepsi drinker for life.
18개월이 되면
By
서구
18
사회의
months,
아기들은
babies in the West
브랜드
can
간의
tell the
차이를
difference
알수
between
있게
brands.
2살이 되면
And by 2, they're asking for brand products by name.
요구할 수 있게 된다.
From the age
7살부터는
of 7, the average child has seen 20,000 TV commercials every year.
광고 관계자들이 다른 어떤
There is only one other group more coveted and groomed by advertisers than any other: preteen and teenage girls.
프로파간디스트들은 이것을 트윈 마켓,
The propagandists call this the tween market,
실질적으로는 기업의
but
페도필리아,
in fact, it is corporate pedophilia.
집착증이라고 할 수 있다. 기업의
The
소아의정
aim of
집착증이
corporate pedophilia is to make young people feel inferior and defective
이미지를 이용함으로써
by using images that are unattainable.
자신들이 결점이 있다고 느끼게 만드는 것이고 이러한
And these
이미지를
images are used
평생
against
소비자들을
consumers
대상으로
for the rest of their
이용해요.
lives to
그들의
keep them
제품을
feeling
사거나
inadequate.
자사 브랜드 제품과 함께하지 않으면
Unless they buy their products and stick with their brands.
적으로 느끼게 하는 것이다. 패션 산업도
The
마찬가지다.
fashion industry is the same.
어울릴지도 모르고
Wear this and you might fit in. Look like this and you will be attractive and popular.
가십 잡지에 나오는
Like
이
the people in these
사람들과
gossip
이런
magazines.
사람들과 같은 그룹에 동참해라. 이런 사람들을
These
우리는
people are called
유명인이라고.
celebrities.
Where do we begin? I mean...
사람이 자기가 하는 일의 최고가 되었습니다.
While it is natural for a person to become popular for being the best at what they do, today in the West, you are a celebrity if you simply appear on screen.
어떤 화면이라도
Any screen, even by mistake.
이렇게 되면 아무것도 하지 않더라도 신용도가 쌓이게
You gain
되고
credibility and praise for nothing.
그리고 화면에
And the more you
노출되면
appear,
될수록
the bigger a celebrity you become.
더 커지게 된다. 유명인사가 되었다 싶으면
If you become a big enough celebrity, then you become a brand to be sold and traded like any other product. Meet Miss Kim Kardashian.
이 사람은
She is famous for owning some clothes shops and going shopping.
이 사람은
She wears diamonds and fur because they are symbols of wealth in the West.
그것들을 걸친다.
And because she believes she is superior to other humans, she ignores the true cost of these luxuries.
무시해버립니다. 이번에 나온 유명인사는
This celebrity is called Madonna.
이 사람은
She recently started a trend of shopping for children in third world countries, which gained her enormous publicity.
주목을 받게 된다. 그녀는
She
미국 내
could have
수백만
adopted
명이나
one of the
되는
millions of poor black children in America who have no home.
이렇게 하는 것은 그녀가
But that would not have gotten her the attention she so desperately craves.
만들지는 못하였을 것이다. 미스터 타이거 우즈를
Meet
만나보고
Mr. Tiger Woods,
욕심 많고 타락한
an athlete who has made millions of dollars from his image as an honest, dependable family man. Even though the greedy golfer was also having sex with over a dozen waitresses, porn stars, and C-grade models at the same time.
이 사람은
This is B-grade actor Mr. Arnold Schwarzenegger.
지금 보는 것은
Seen
캘리포니아의
here with his wife when he was re-elected as governor of California. Unlike the other B-grade actor who served as governor of California,
이 배우는 대통령까지는
this actor won't be president
왜냐하면
because he fathered a child with the family maid in their marital bed.
이들 두
These two
배우는
actors are very big celebrities.
그들의 이름은 브래드와
Their names are
안젤리나입니다.
Brad and Angelina, and their brand is Brangelina.
그들 또한 제3세계에서
They also shop for children in third world countries.
마찬가지로 이들 또한 미디어의 주목을 받는
Like
것에
other celebrities, they constantly complain about the media attention they get,
어린이를 구매하기
even
위한
though they have entire teams of propagandists who alert the media each time they go shopping for children,
전속되어 있는 홍보팀
or
전체가
purchase a coffee wearing the latest designer clothes.
말이다. 진실은
The truth
이런
is that
유명인사들은
celebrities like these are merely collaborators.
예를 들어 서구 사회에서 담배의
For
사람들을
example, despite the fact that tobacco in the West is laced with more than 2,000 deadly chemicals designed to addict and kill humans,
잡지, 영화,
celebrities frequently appear in magazines, movies, and fashion shoots smoking cigarettes.
거대 담배 회사는 청소년들이 이들과
Big
같은 유명인이
Tobacco
되고
pays
싶다는
these
것을
trained
알고
monkey
있기 때문에
collaborators
이들
of death
꼭두각시
enormous
협력자들에게
amounts to
먹고
smoke
죽을
and
정도의
glamorize their
어마어마한
product,
돈을 지불하며 담배를
knowing that the
피우고
youth want to be celebrities too.
Nicole, don't do that, you promised.
간혹 유명인은
Sometimes celebrity exacts a terrible toll on the human brain, leading to confusion and misery.
이 가엾은 사람은
This poor man
최근
is Mr.
약물
Michael
과다분양으로
Jackson, a very famous musician who recently died from a drug overdose. Let's look at what America did to this man.
그의 조상들은
His
아프리카에서
ancestors were raped from Africa and brought to America as slaves, and his childhood was spent working and performing for a violent father who colluded with record companies to profit from his talents.
자본주의
So
소나기에서
much pain at the hand of capitalism leads to an identity crisis.
이 충격적인 영상들
These disturbing images are not film trickery, but the result of a practice known as plastic surgery.
통계 자료에 의하면
In surveys, 9 out of 10 women in the West are unhappy with their appearance,
이런 배경으로
which drives them to spend enormous amounts of money buying cosmetics, clothes, and plastic surgery,
불구하고 여성들은
despite the fact that they will never become celebrities
그리고
or look like the models in the advertisements. This is consumerism. Many of the biggest celebrities have no talent at all. This very famous woman is called Miss Katie Price. Her brand name is Jordan. And despite my research, it seems clear that she doesn't actually do anything.
Love it.
This is Miss Paris Hilton. This narcissistic parasite comes from a wealthy hotel family. She glorifies her opulent lifestyle without guilt and is said to charge $150,000 to appear at parties. She even has a TV program called My New Best Friend Forever, where people compete to be her new best friend. Proof that anything in the West can be reproduced and commodified for profit. This is part of a trend in the West for what is called reality television. A type of freak show programming about talentless narcissists who like to talk about themselves and go shopping. In the field of American reality TV, competition is fierce for the most grotesque example of such exploitation. There are shows like The Swan, where women who are deemed ugly enter a plastic surgery competition to see who can be turned into the most beautiful.
She's just very masculine, face, body, basically everywhere. So we really need to change her body with a lot of liposuction, breast augmentation. We really need to feminize her face by doing a brow lift, rhinoplasty, take the fat of her cheeks and her chin. She really deserves to be in this program.
Without a doubt.
This one is called My Super Sweet 16, where children have tens of thousands of dollars spent on them simply because they are turning 16. They are treated like celebrities, despite the fact that they have achieved nothing and are out of touch with reality.
And if you're ready?
But this is nothing compared to a reality series called The Bachelor, where a handsome, wealthy young man declares his commitment to picking a wife from a bevy of 16 potential brides. His sincerity in talking to each woman is chilling, as are their claims to love him. After sampling all of the potential brides, he decides who to marry, turning the most personal of decisions into a commodity, an experience to be manipulated, packaged, and sold worldwide.
You guys ready?
Distraction techniques like television and celebrity magazines are the propagandist's best tools for keeping people from thinking and talking about important issues. Now, they have another. The games industry now generates more money than the film industry and has cemented the West as a culture of death, violence, and destruction. This is Grand Theft Auto 4. Here, you can kill anything that moves and have sex with prostitutes. This game appeals so much to people, it sold $500 million worth of units in its first week of sale. Because gaming and animation desensitizes violence and death, much of the billions in military spending goes into recruiting young, poor, and uneducated people to fight their Fortune 500 wars using these same techniques.
Most serve 1 weekend a month and 2 weeks a year.
Still 2-6, crazy horse 1-8. Come on, fire!
Hey, Roger.
Come on, let us shoot.
1-8, okay, clear.
Come on.
이 게임은 세계
This game is based on something called WWE, which stands for World Wrestling Entertainment. Extreme violence cheered on by Americans baying for blood. They know the names of each one of these actors, and yet they don't know where Britain is on the map, despite the efforts of the British to be their best friends.
85%의 미국 젊은이들은
85% of American young adults can't find Israel, Iraq, or Afghanistan on a world map. 30% of them can't find the Pacific Ocean on the map.
그리고 75%는
75% of them don't know the population of the US,
얼마인지도 모르고
and 11% of them can't even find it on a map.
어디에 있는지조차도 모른다. 이런 것이 물론
This is ideal, of course. Keep the masses ignorant and pacified on the couch.
폭력,
Distract them with violence, death, and the illusions of celebrity. Reduce resistance and thought. Make them choose the bland over the brilliant.
건조한 사람이 되는 것을 사고력이 풍부한 사람이 되는 것보다는 무의미한 사람이 되는 것과 쓰레기 같은 것들에 눈이 번쩍 뜨이게 하는 사람이 되게 하는 그런 것 말이다.
This is now what people around the world accept as normal. This manufactured reality has become more real than this. 38 million homeless Americans. But the media doesn't want people to know about these Americans. Not unless they can be used for entertainment.
You want to be on top?
Meet Miss Tyra Banks, a former clothes model who now has a talk show where she pretends to be concerned about people's problems and society in general, even though she has no qualifications to do this.
And so,
here, she dresses up and pretends to be homeless in order to experience life on the streets, which is impossible because she owns numerous homes and great wealth.
청중들은 이 가식적 행태에
The audience doesn't question this charade,
대신 이것은 그녀가 자신의
but instead it willingly feeds into her need to talk about herself. Here we see America's Next Top Model, where everything is covered in her Tyra brand.
겨우 그녀의 이름만 불렀을
Everyone has to shout and scream and appear delighted at the mere mention of her name.
고요화됩니다. 이번 에피소드에서는
In this episode, she has the contestants made up to pose as blood-spattered and mangled corpses, while across the other side of the world, her fellow Americans were shooting, stabbing, and blowing up an estimated 1.8 million Iraqi civilians.
참가자들과 함께하고 있다. 대부분의 미국인들과 마찬가지로 그녀 또한
Like most Americans, she doesn't know or care about these numbers.
신경도 쓰지 않는다.
She is concerned only about a life of style over substance.
관심이 있을 뿐이다. 역사적으로 볼 때
There are now more propaganda-filled screens and magazines than at any other time in history. And these are controlled by just 5 giant media companies. This creates more opportunities to distract people from what really matters.
더 많은 기회들을 만들어낸다.
More opportunities to brainwash them. More opportunities to sell them poisoned food and drugs they don't need.
더 많은 기회.
More opportunities to drip-feed them a meaningless, distorted reality.
지금 보시는 거는
No, this is not a Hollywood blockbuster. The planes crashing into these towers are real, and these buildings crashed to the ground, including one that wasn't hit by anything at all. The American population was terrorized, hypnotized, and traumatized by repetitive showings of the devastation, with the media repeating over and over that it was a terrorist attack. However, 11 years after that day, it seems certain that everything was staged like a Hollywood blockbuster. Logic, physics, and history point to this incident being another false flag operation, like the bombing of the German Reichstag, Pearl Harbor, and the Gulf of Tonkin incident. And polls in the US confirm this. 87% of Americans now believe that 9/11 was a contrived pretext for an endless war on terror and the opportunity to remove their democratic rights and liberties.
One by one, the terrorists are learning the meaning of American justice.
But the real threat to Americans is not terrorism.
2001부터 2009년 사이
Between 2001 and 2009, the number of deaths from terrorism in America stood at 3,000. In the same period, there were 192,000 deaths by homicide, 204,000 drunk driving, 360,000 suicide, 456,000 second-hand smoke, 873,780 diabetes, 4,622,268 cancer, 5,304,000 smoking-related, 6,238,284 heart disease.
Today our nation saw evil.
We will not rest until this evil is driven from our world.
But their leaders focus only on the phantom dangers of terrorism, while allowing food and drug companies to make more and more poisonous food that is killing its people like an internal, unspoken genocide. They even protect these killer companies. Cigarettes, for example, are the only consumer product that doesn't have to list its ingredients on the packet. To be fair, it would be difficult to fit the names of 2,000 poisons on such a small box. Here we are reminded that wars are not fought for flags and citizens, but for corporations. The war on terror, engineered by American propagandists to frighten and control their people, is impossible to win, but endlessly profitable. I'll be long gone before some smart person ever figures out what happened inside this Oval Office. George W. Bush. We are the only country left on the planet that has not been invaded by imperial propaganda. We have not succumbed to their tyranny, and we never will. Because we know what the ruling 1% is afraid of. They are afraid of real democracy. They are afraid that people will begin to recognize their propaganda and start rejecting it. They are afraid people will demand more power than the fraudulent auctions passed off as elections. They are afraid people will begin organized resistance and stop obeying laws designed to disempower them. They are afraid people will start asking why they have to fight wars for the Fortune 500 companies. They are afraid that people will start to realize that those who commit atrocities against humanity have names and can't hide behind flags and corporations forever. They are afraid that people will gather in mass crowds and make citizen arrests, or worse. More than anything, they are afraid that the world will decide it wants a new beginning. A revolution that has no place for the pillagers and plunderers and exploiters. We are the headquarters of this world revolution. We will fight to the death to defend our peaceful nation and beloved leader from the cruelty, exploitation, greed, enslavement, and violence against helpless peoples everywhere. We will defend ourselves as we defend the rights of billions of humans who do not benefit from 500 years of Western civilization and the cancerous empire of corporate collusion. We must remain vigilant at all times and be alert to their insidious attack on the mind. For they have come before, and they will come again.